Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to set up two color job on Slipboard. So this is like a left leg printing. So all you need to do is like line up or set your white first. So this is a two color print with white underlay and Kelly green printing on the top. So this is Kelly green acetate. So I use 160 mesh screen for this one because it's like because you're printing on the top of the white. So that's why you need at least 160 mesh screen, so to avoid spreading of the color, the ink in your printing. So I set up this one for 160 first color, and I'm going to put the white acetate on the 110 mesh screen. So I put some tape on and I sliding the 110 mesh screen for your white underlay or underbase. It's already exposed now. So after exposing, and I'm ready to set up and print. So first of all, I will set up the white screen, the white underlay. So on the Slipboard, I will set up the logo on the middle of the Slipboard. As you see, I use the same screen on other jobs, so at least you can save some screen. It's all set, and then I'm going to tape it using a clear 3M tape. The clear Scotch 3M tape. Yeah. So after that, I'm going to print this white on sample shirt. So I'm going to plot the white and then swipe it, and then flashing it to 150 degrees in 5 seconds. But I reflash it again because doesn't still not dry. So now it's dry, and I'm going to put the second white. So screen printing is you need to make sure that you have like a nice off contact into the garment or into the shirt, so at least to avoid some error of printing. So this is my second color. It's a Kelly green on top of the white. So everything are registered. Taping it again. Same that what I did on the first screen. And all ready to print my second color. So in the second color, you need a good pressure because you're printing on the top of white. If you did too much pressure, the green will spread out. If you don't have a good pressure, the screen will not clear enough, and then you have, so the print will not looking good. So you need in the middle of that, like not too much pressure and not less pressure. Okay, so I'm printing on the left leg of the sweatpants. The white is a little bit sticky, so you need to be careful of you pulling out your screen. Put the second white. Make sure this is like dry enough, and it's not dry, and then I need to bring back to the flasher and flash it again. It's dry enough. Putting the second white. This is up contact, so that's why I'm trying to pull it really nice. So this is dry, and putting the second color, Kelly green. There you go. This is the sample on the left leg printing. So you need to be careful on pulling your sweatpants out of the sleeve board to avoid cracking. To avoid cracking the logo, because the print is still not cured. So you need to go through the oven first. So you need to be careful on pulling your sweatpants out of the sleeve board. So everything is all good, and it's ready to mass production. So I'm loading all the sleeve board to start printing. So while you're doing the carousel, it's like turning the carousel and then flush. So I'm using a pedal to flush my manual flushing, but this flusher has a sensor, but I'm using a pedal to ignite the flushing, because it's better for me to use a pedal, so at least I can manage the flushing better than the sensor. All the second white are done, and Kelly green, the second color, will be the next. there you have it. This is the leg, left leg and print.